Hi everyone, and welcome to a Procreate tutorial by Purple Carrot Designs. Today I'm going to show you how to add a glitter effect to your lettering without needing a specific Procreate glitter brush. We're going to be using a glitter image that I've purchased through Design Bundles, and you can find a link to that listing in my video description. Go ahead and choose the wrench and then add and insert photo and choose any glitter image you'd like. Since the glitter image does not fully cover the canvas, I'm going to shrink it down rather than enlarging it to cover the canvas. I'll show you why I chose to do it this way in a few moments. When selecting the image with the arrow at the top of your toolbar, you will see a toolbox show up at the bottom of your screen. Mine is automatically set up to snap and align images to the canvas or any other images that may be on the canvas. This will help when covering the canvas with the glitter image. So go ahead and size down your image to about half the size of the canvas, and then go ahead and duplicate that original image and begin moving it over to cover the rest of the canvas. And then you're going to select the top glitter image and merge it down and duplicate that layer again and begin moving that layer down to cover the rest of the canvas. Keep in mind, whatever ends up outside of the canvas will be clipped off after deselecting the image. I'm then going to select the top image and merge it with the bottom image so that way you have a complete background. Here's why I chose to shrink the image rather than enlarging it. The glitter would have blown up and possibly been distorted, so instead by shrinking the image, it'll create a more natural glitter look in the end. I'm now going to add another layer, and this is going to be where we're going to do our writing. Go ahead and hold down on that layer and drag it below the glitter. You're then going to tap on the glitter image and choose Clipping Mask. This will cause the glitter to disappear, but don't worry, it'll show up when we are writing on the layer below it. The color you choose for your brush is entirely up to you. I chose to use black because it'll make it easier to create a shadow effect in the end. Unfortunately, the maker of the brush that I'm using no longer has a presence online, so I'm unable to provide a link to purchase the brush I'm using. But you can use any Procreate brush that you're comfortable with. Adjusting the size can be done on the slider on the top to the left side, and you can go ahead and begin writing or drawing. As you write or draw, you see that the glitter will show up. If you need to redo your writing or move the image around, you can without affecting the layer that the glitter is on. You're now going to go ahead and duplicate the layer that you just wrote, and because it's in black, I'm going to go ahead and add the shadow effect. Tap on the magic wand and then Gaussian blur and layer, and slide your pencil across the screen while touching the screen. You can intensify it as much as you like, whatever is most visually appealing to you. I like to shift mine off to the side once I have added enough effect, and I'll lower down the opacity so it's not too intense. And there you have it, a final glitter image without having a specialized Procreate brush. If you like this tutorial, please give it a thumbs up and make sure to subscribe so you can be notified when new videos are released. If you have a suggestion for a tutorial you'd like to see, feel free to leave a comment here or reach out through one of the contact links provided in the video description. If you try this glitter effect, I would love for you to post and tag me on social media. You can find all of my info in the video description along with the links to the specific iPad, Apple Pencil, and digital glitter scrapbook paper image that I used. Thank you again for watching, and I can't wait to see what you create.